Hey everyone, my name is Brandon and welcome to my shop. This is my weekly shop update for June 28th. This week I've been working on making a couple frames here. I recently just finished this frame here. It is a John Hall frame. Mark Spagnolo, the Wood Whisperer, did an article in Popular Woodworking magazine in 2009 and I was like, yep, I'm definitely gonna make that. So I made this out of cherry. It's got ebony plugs throughout here. The bottom here is inlaid into the rail, and up here it is also inlaid on that radius as well. It's a super fun build. It's kind of a little bit of a challenge, but I really like the way it turned out. Next here, I've been working on another frame. This is going to have it's going to be a mirror within this portion here. And up here, it's going to be a Kumiko, whatever, those Japanese style patterns up there. So that's what I've been working on for the rest of this week. The joinery has proud tenons sticking out here that are chamfered. Whoopsies. Yep, these are some pretty big tenons. The stiles here are 3 inches wide, so we have 3 inch plus an eighth for the tenons there. I have a couple voids here I filled with epoxy and this walnut. I did those last night, so this morning I can go ahead and start working on that panel, that Kumiko panel. Other than that, I don't have much going on. I've been investing a lot of time in this frame here. I have a mirror that I got off of the Facebook Marketplace for really cheap, and I was like, well, we need a mirror, so I'm going to make a nice beefy frame for it. Sort of a craftsman style, with the tenons being proud and all that. Other than that, I'm getting ready to start batching out a lot of smaller items for farmer's market here in Ankeny. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to try to get my first booth set up the weekend after the 4th of July, so July 8th maybe. So if you're in Ankeny, I will be there hopefully on the 8th of July throughout the remainder of the season, which I think goes till September 18th. So yeah, come see me if you get a chance. I do have this video here coming out this weekend of how I made this frame, and look for this build to be out sometime next week. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.